Yo, what's good? Per here.
Nope, it's good.
Today, we are working on the Impreza. We finished the front brake pads and rotors maybe like 2 months ago. And then we're starting on the rear. Percy got a new jack, floor jack rather, good for SUVs and whatnot. He is good to go. Looking pretty ready. I'm about to step in if he needs some help. We chilling. It's nice out. It's like almost 60 degrees on a Saturday. Looking like spring. Looking pretty nice. I may need to steal this real quick. Damn, magnetic? Hold up, swivel head? Oh, I might need to use this for real. I'm asking for this later. For real.
Good shit.
Cause you know how Subaru is like the swivel head. Oh, it's real nice. It's real like sturdy. Quality is good. And it's magnetic bet. I mean, I have a magnetic as well too, but it's like it's not swivel head. It's like just straight socket.
The material's good.
It feels nice.
Yeah. Got Amazon.
Got the large today. Haven't had iced coffee in like months actually. I always go for hot. I actually haven't had Dunkin's in a while. I've been like get a little bougie getting Starbucks. Had to go to 2 different or 3, right? How much we went to? One Advanced Auto and one Pep Boys. Yeah. Trying to find just some normal brake pads and rotors, but people didn't know how to search up for their parts at the store itself. So
I've heard of Subaru Impreza, then Subaru is WRX or STI.
exactly. He calls up saying, looking for brake pads and rotor, clear and simple, for an Impreza. And they automatically assume, oh, you're looking for the sports stuff, the high performance stuff, because they're thinking he's looking for parts for a WRX or STI.
Yep.
Blast. Well, yeah, Buzz, it was Buzz, not Blast.
What's that?
Baby boy, yeah.
Got that Wagner QS.
Damn.
You know what I mean, man? QS.
All about that Wagner. I don't know what that is.
Quality stupid, man.
I didn't know the quality. Ceramic.
Yeah. Still got the medium there too, though.
Right?
That's crazy. But I think the rotor's on the even though.
Yeah, probably warped. I'll probably clean. Breaking that brake caliper bolts loose. Loosey loose. Trying to get the angles. We got some good angles on here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it. Oh, your caliper is like aluminum or something. That thing is nice. Your caliper? It's like aluminum.
Aluminum. With your lungs, motherfucker.
Good.
How you breathe, man? Think all that meat, bro. Shooting us at 17. Oh. 14. Oh, they're all 14.
I think the front was like 14, 17, right?
Yeah.
That's a good breaker bar. Yeah.
That's it. That's broken. Taste it something, you know? Easy, right?
Yeah.
It just rusts.
Like the rust took it. Oh man.
I got you.
I believe like the doors are cheaper too. Like Benz.
They got 12 too, man. I had a SUV. They were not 320. Remember?
Damn, that fresh rotor. Not not vent it, but shit, that shit's looking nice and clean. But we got up the hardware all sprayed up and cleaned up, just a tiny bit. Does your pass come with new brackets?
I didn't open it yet. It's in the box.
Still recording?
Damn. Kind of embarrassed, you know? I should like pay attention before I took it out.
Wagner, what's up with y'all? I'm not sure if this is how it's supposed to come, but they only give you one of these with the shims.
Make sure
The other three pads.
Tag it on Instagram.
Oh, the other 3 pads
Tag them.
have none of these shims. We feel like 2 of these pads should have at least one of these shims. The brake squeak sensor, I believe it's called. Where like, or brake indicator, yeah. There you go. Indicates if you have like low pad material left. This is the driver's side rear. The brake pads are pretty uneven. One of these pads, oh shit, seized up. It's pretty skinny. Probably can't see. There, you can see it now. This side is skinnier than the other one. So uneven wear, but also from the driver whole side compared to the passenger.
Alright, this side right here,
that material
it's a
is
vegetarian. It's on a diet, but
It's on
this
a diet.
motherfucker right here, Burger King all day.
working all day. He needs that meat.
Yeah. You're talking
Damn,
about
bro.
the quarter pounder, Big Mac, extra cheese. Oh shit, that's the funny part. Yeah, man. What Supers do, man?
Look at that. Pretty obvious.
Look at this. Somebody look at this.
Okay, this is probably a Impreza thing, but only one side of the brakes have one of these, like just one. The other side, the passenger side, don't have the shim. Why is that? Why is that a thing?
Working a giant car. Yeah. Yeah. I'm putting some wheel system on there.
Lower.
I'm lowering my car.
Lowering your white car?
Yeah.
Fast forward, we already finished both brake pads and rotors replacement. We may have to check it again because we still hear this rubbing sound, like almost like metal rubbing sounds. We already just picked up food. You about to see what we got. So we got the beef sticks. Hell yeah. Did rear brake pads and rotors. Then we went home and went to order went to AutoZone with some oil, and then we might install coilovers. Nah, wait, not the time. Stimulus check, that's mine. Got it just a few days. Now I'm rich. No, wait, Bill said, no, you're not, bitch. Shit, it's all packed up in the bag. Look how juicy that is. Oh my goodness.
Alright, ready?
The spicy shit. Oh, you want to
Put on a platter?
put on a platter? Shit. Okay, let's help you out.
There we go. Slam that John. Oh. There you go.
Hold on to it.
Pick up the crab right here.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah. The raw.
Mmm.
Oh. Spicy.
Oh, shit.
You gotta feel it tomorrow morning.
Oh, that's spiciness.
Or tonight. Well, right away.
Spill it.
Damn, that was only one hit though. That was only one hit. My lip fucking burn. They ain't lying about that one. Damn.
Oh, shit.
Yo.
Don't play around. This is actually pretty spicy. Like it'll hit you in like 2 seconds.
Oh, fuck.
Literally for like the whole week.
The whole entire week.
He's like, do you want? He's like,
I should
do
take
you
some
just want to
home.
eat chicken? I'm
I
like,
said that. I kept telling people like, bro, do you want to play? And I kind of assisted Sam too.
Forgot.
He's just like, yeah, my wife and them, they were home. I'm like, bro, I'll make you a fat ass platter right
I
now.
remember when half the people left. To be honest, I was just like,
Front?
Wait, it's a medium fuck. Okay.
No, this ain't a medium.
Oh,
This
no,
is a
yeah.
test. No, I didn't make
I'm
any.
gonna say, man.
we're
They
gonna
run
make
small.
your guys'.
Okay, they do run small.
Okay, good. That's good. I like that. Yeah.
So back, front, thoughts.
I'm cool with it. Plain and simple.
All right, so we got it's four
It's
people
not,
agrees.
it's not bad, but it's how it is.
Well, like I said, this is just our right. Motherfucker just insulting you.
No. I thought it would be like some extra shit, you know what I mean? Like,
Nah, I mean, it's just simple. This is our logo.
Plain and simple. I like it.
The only other place I think would be cool if you did the logo, if you didn't do it in the back, would be like right here.
That's what Sam said.
Sam said the same
Like
thing.
if you didn't do it in the back, like right here,
Yeah, that's exactly what he
like
said.
right on the arm.
He said the same thing. Yeah, the small, like a 4x or like a 5x5 or a
Shit.
4x4.
Yeah, right here.
It's not.
That's great. Yo, he said
like
the exact same thing.
Probably both. I'm like how it is. Like the back sounds is fine, but that sounds like a pretty good idea too.
Right, but then what would be in the back then?
Yeah, exactly. So
The back
keep
would
it
just
up.
end up being
I know, right?
Plain. I mean, I'm cool with that too. I'm very cool with that. But like I said, we can discuss it too. That's why I made it. You know,
Yeah.
I made a couple of them.
Yeah.
Wait, come over here. Wait, come over here.
when you can eat.
Wait, come here.
So
Come over here.
it's so funny because last week they literally were so fine.
Yeah, I bring different energy.
Hey Blake.
Different energy.
That's ice cream, buddy.
Oh man, bring one for you.
Yeah. So, look at him. He's like, get that camera. He hates being on camera. Really?
Does he? Oh,
When I bring it out,
he just like
darts.
give me the side eye.
People, he's
Oh yeah, he runs away. My mom's like, Pablo. He's like,
Yogi.
done this shit.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
what did I say about the camera?
Yeah. Yo, I'm gonna need one of those cards.
I got you.
Okay. Hurry up.
April would be so pissed if it sounded like this every day.
Throwing me all type of fucking engine code.
Really?
4 grown men deep in the
if it-
fucking Odyssey.
If it keeps doing that, I'm gonna be like, I can't
shit.
cat it.
And it's tuned, so it's probably hit so much harder.
Yeah. Is it on base map or? Yeah, just base map. Tony told me to take it to D-Rob.
Yep.
D-Rob's like 2 hours though.
Yeah, but he can do digital.
Yeah, he can do E-Tune, yeah.
And what'd you do to the exhaust?
Muffler delete. It's pretty much just muffler delete because I did muffler and resonator, but I put the resonator back on.
Loud for both the lead. What the fuck? Okay. This food is pretty good. Oh shit.
This shit hit.
But I did all, even the middle one. You know how like the middle
Fuck,
one.
am I
Yeah,
gonna
yeah, it's got that third one.
I told him to cut it off and actually make it actually straight because it gives it a little bit of a deeper tone.
Bro, it sounds so
Yeah.
good though.
Because I did the first two at the end, but I was like, and the middle one gave it a little bit of a deeper tone.
And you took all 3 out.
Yeah. But I went to, it'll probably be way too far for you because it's in Delaware. I went to Mighty Muffler. It's called Mighty Muffler, it's in Delaware. They do a good job.
PNG.
You would never.
No, you never know. I mean,
notice it.
honestly, I like the full
I like it too. Let me see how this vinyl works.
because it's less. Now I'm wondering.